Welcome to Grandad Jack's. I'm Di, I'm the designer here, and I'm usually over there and not behind the bar. This is the cocktail for my limited release, well, my staff release, and Luke has seriously stitched me up by throwing me here to do this. But I'm going to give it my best shot. It's called the Pear-fect sour. Start off with the glass, and then ice. I'm pretty sure that's what he told me to do, was to put the ice in the glass, I'm pretty sure. Bear with me. Then there, and then I had to put in 50 ml of my Sweet Pear-fection limited release, which is inspired by my Croatian heritage and a spirit that I used to drink probably before you were allowed to drink alcohol, under the guidance of my parents. Then I'm doing 15 ml of sugar syrup. I hope that's right. And then I put the cap on. I think I just grabbed the bottom. Oh, I've done it wrong. I think Luke does it. No, I think Luke does it like this. Oh dear, I've really, I seriously messed this up. Now I can't remember, was I double straining or single straining? I don't think this is good at all. Actually, all right, so next I think he told me to put in, some non-alcoholic Shiraz, because behind the bar we can only serve what we make here, so this is why it's non-alcoholic. And I was floating that on there, like, oh, he told me 20 ml, but like any good Croatian cook, don't ever measure, just throw it in there. Then I needed to get this foam, blow some of the top off. That sounded rude. Sorry. Oh shit. Okay, I've done it. So I'll just put, that's pretty cool. And garnish with a dehydrated pear, topped with sugar syrup on it. There it is, the Sweet Pear-fect sour, the Pear-fect sour. Available in the tasting room this weekend, made not by me, but by the awesome mixologists here.